Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is Julian, and on this vlog we are at the second half of the LAESK8 cruise ride on Sunday, and we are just watching the sunset at Griffith Observatory, and about 38 to 40 folks showed up today. This wonderful afternoon. There's the scene right there. LAESK8 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 folks. I thought we were up to 50. Alright, 38 EVs here today on a nice Sunday afternoon. Good stuff, good stuff. Dean?
Yeah, Dean.
How you doing, Dean?
Me too.
How do you like your Onyx?
I like it.
Yeah?
It's heavy though.
Oh, yeah.
I have a truck.
Which battery you have?
The 23.
Is that the
Smaller
standard?
one. No, small. Yeah, standard.
There's a standard and there's like a double one, right? Or something?
Yeah,
Something like that?
one. I think I need to get the light speed.
Oh, that's a cool camera. Thank you. Got laser lights. Getting ready for this ride. And just an update, parking up here is $15 an hour now. My goodness gracious. I'm glad that we are on e-bikes, because $15 an hour is something else. And today I'm using the Super73 S2. We are swapping, Crystal and I. She's using the RX because that was the deal. And I have a cane belt. I have a little fairing here, windshield. Got some laser lights for the night. But there's the sunset for you. You sunset chasers. And we're rolling out. You remember this hill? Got your headlights on? Go time, guys. Huh?
That thing is a reflector, right?
I don't think so.
They took out the reflector.
Are they?
Yeah, I think so. I hope so.
I don't know. Where's Crystal? Jesus. I thought I heard someone fall. There she is. We're going fast downhill. And there's a car. There's a car that's just got nervous here. Oh, what was that? I think I just ran over a pine cone. Ooh, that was close. That was so close, I wasn't looking. Gotta keep my eyes up front. 35 miles per hour. And that's it. I think we're slowing down here. Did someone get hurt? It is freezing. The heavier you are, the faster downhill you'll go. That's just physics. That tandem Super 73 just bombing the hill. Man, I wonder how heavy that boombox is. Everyone's got music. You good? You good? I don't know which music to jive to. I don't know which music to jive to. Come on, we got a sandwich, Jason. Okay, let's go. Where is he? Yeah, he's in the front of the pack. Wow, that sounds fast. Sawyer's board sounds crazy fast. Crystal just tried swerving. Wow, this is scary. I guess when it's downhill, it's not much of a cruise ride. It's go as fast as you can. What? We met up with a group? Oh, scary. But I gotta watch you. Hup, hup. Oh, this is the route I would take in reverse to old LA Zoo. Okay. Go for it. Sorry, Andy. Couple of street riding here. Oh, still got my blinkers. Going back to that same river bed, or a river trail, LA River Trail. What do you guys think about this fairing? Should I keep it? I don't know. This one's a little weak. I think it needs batteries. It's weird. Being weird. Yo, AJ, I gotta let you know, man. I think you jump higher now.
Oh, yeah?
Or like, I've never seen you jump that high.
Yeah, I can't wait for you to have that thing, man.
Yeah, I want to do jumps like you. You make it look so fun, man.
It's fun.
Like, I can't do that on this. Like, I'm afraid. Let's do it. Let's cut. Had to wait for a little bit of the group. Now we're back. Okay, Crystal's just cutting through people. Hope Crystal's alright on these little inclines. Traffic is back, guys. And this is Sunday. But it's back in the kind of a good kind of a sense. Not too, it's not too much. It's bearable. There they are. There's Jason. Mountain bikers. Yeah, I don't think I've ever biked this at sundown, but it's actually peaceful so far. Spoke Bicycle Cafe. Yeah, the cop is just kind of waiting for us here. Waiting for us to run a red light or something. And the Onyx users, of course, pedaling. Oh, that's nice fenders. Those are the expensive fenders this Onyx guy have. Go time. Oh, let's run this. Let's run this. Yellow. We look like a light parade, sort of, kind of. Thank you. Here we go, getting dark. I guess they wanted us to go back up Elysian Park at night. So, okay, here we go. Elysian Park night ride. Pretty much exactly the way we came to, the route we took to Griffith Observatory. And we're just retracing our route in reverse. So that's cool. I don't mind the windy uphill. But I hope everyone has enough battery for it. And we're just pedaling, by the way. No throttle here. Pedal. Love the pedal. Oh, look at that. Sun view, sunset, after sunset view. The night life of downtown LA. City lights, guys. Here we go. Okay, we only got one guy that we're towing. This is where the Onyx friends come into play. I still have about 40%, and we're literally only 3 miles away, so I'm good. And most of it is going to be downhill. You guys good? All right. Cool. Yeah. City lights, nice. It's so dark, I think I could see the stars already. I got a horn too. Oh, we're picking up speed. hope Crystal's doing alright. You gotta watch the road, and I gotta watch Crystal. And I gotta commentate. And I gotta focus on my own driving here. She hasn't really taken this path, so I guess she's doing well. Last thing I want is to see her or anyone fall. But she's actually the only rider here, the only female rider. There's one tandem Super73, but the lady's a passenger. And so there's two ladies here at this LAESK8 group ride. Total. We need more. Some variety. If Crystal can do this route, I'm sure anyone else can. Night edition. Look at all those lights, guys. Pretty cool. Oh. Pretty sure this is the last stop. You good?
Probably gonna head back now. Is it the last stop?
I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense for you
Yeah.
to make a left, right?
Yeah, I'm just going this way, man.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, you're going out now?
Yeah.
Go with the group.
Break.
Go with the group.
What?
Go downhill with the group.
Okay.
Because you don't want to have an accident on your own.
It's too dark or something?
No, and I have a feeling there's more gates.
Oh.
Because if we ran into one, we'll see. Yeah. Oh, my buddy Jason got a lot of battery left. I guess he's doing a lot of pedaling. I'm gonna stop because I want to see how dark this is. No one behind me. Scary. It is scary here alone. Pretty scary. Okay, let's catch up.
Alright folks, looks like my battery's about to die. Kindly like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you on the next ride.